How to verify your ID or account on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on YouTube. Now the process itself is quite simple. To verify your ID or to verify your YouTube account, you can simply head into your browser and then you want to type in youtube.com/verify. So youtube.com/verify. So once you do so, you want to tap on go, and now in my case my account is already verified. As you can see, if you wish to switch account, at the right hand side at the top right you can see the profile icon. You can tap on it there, and here it will ask you for your phone number, where you'll have to enter in your phone number, and then you'll get the verification code to your number, which you'll have to enter it here, and then your number will be verified, which means your ID has been verified. So this way you can easily verify ID on YouTube. Unfortunately I'm unable to show here, but that's how you can do it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.